Welcome back. This is an Aleks homework video on predicting equilibrium composition from a sketch. Okay, a sketch is only going to give you some examples of concentrations. So when you do a constant expression, it's concentrations. So for instance, if you were to do K here, since you know that R, whatever R is, the three little in a line, three green ones in a line, that's R, and it can convert into P, which are the little triangle of molecules that are brown or whatever. So if you have that as a reaction, then it's going to be the concentration of the the products divided by the concentration of the reactants taken to the power of their coefficient. Well, here it's just 1 to 1. So I've got my K expression is the concentration of P divided by the concentration of R. And they told me that my K here is 1/3. So I simply just said the concentration of P over the concentration of R is 1/3. But in my picture, since they gave me a sketch, I don't know what concentration means. All I know is that I've got 6 green lines and 6 brown triangles. So instead of concentration, I'm just going to stretch it a little bit and just do numbers of what I see in the picture. All right. So I'm going to say the number of the P that I can count divided by the number of R needs to equal 1/3. So I look at what I'm given at first, because it's not under equilibrium evidently at the beginning. Okay, so this is what you put into it, and then they're going to shift around. They're going to interconvert. One goes into another until the number of P's over the number of R's is equal to 1/3. That's what your constant expression means. All right, so that's how much is happening at equilibrium. So since I have that, I'm just going to see what do I got. So I'm going to say that in this picture I've got how many P's? 6 P's, and I have 6 R's, and I'm going to check to see if that equals 1/3, and it doesn't. Okay, that means that it's going to shift. So in order to get 1/3, the 6 is going to have to go down, and then the bottom one is going to have to go up, because it's the same numbers of molecules. They're going to shift. They're going to interconvert. So if I were to go down 1 to 5 and up 1 to 7, that's not 1/3 either. Okay. If I go down to 4 and up to 8, that's a half, so that's not equal to a third. If I keep going to 3/9, that is the magic number. Okay, so 3/9 equals 1/3. Well, my 3 is my P. So in this example, I'm going to have my P molecules are going to be 3 of them, and I'm going to have 9 molecules, which are my R's. Okay, so this is more of a visual type of problem. So I hope it helped.